Okay, I got the old charge pipe out, an intercooler out. We're messing with the brackets. Instead of using the nuts that they send, we just used a nut cert, and now all we gotta do is put these on and bolt it up. Now that we have the charge pipe and intercooler on, we can get to the fun stuff, the downpipe. So this should give us what we need for stage 2, get us that horsepower, and this will be fun on quick jacks. So let's get started. Well, after fighting the stock downpipe, it's officially out. So there's the OEM and the VRSF. Clearly a lot less restrictive, so more power. But I think I'm finally done. We broke a hose, so we taped it back up, good as new. Downpipe is in, tightened up. Hopefully we don't have any exhaust leaks. We're just putting the intake back on. I will go ahead and get MHD out and flash it to stage 2 plus, and then I'll go drive it. All right, we've got the car on a battery charger. I'm gonna open up MHD. That is crazy. That's my first time hearing it from the outside. It sounds so cool now.